parents decided that they didn't get along. So my parents lived in different houses, and my mom moved 1 hour away from my dad. And she said I was going to go with her. And I was going to have to start a new school, say goodbye to my friends. So every other weekend, I would get in the car with my mom, and we'd drive halfway to my dad's house. My dad would meet us there, and then we'd drive all the way to his house, and then we'd do it again on Sunday. And for me, for some reason, that car drive was the hardest part. So as I was sitting in that car, I had so many feelings. I actually had so many feelings that I thought that I might explode. I was feeling like I didn't want to leave my mom. I would miss my mom. I was feeling sad. I was angry. I was frustrated because I didn't want this life. And I was really, really confused about all those feelings, and I didn't know what to do with them. And today we're going to learn some things that you can do to help yourself get through big feelings so that you can be brave enough to share them. My mom, she looked at me and she would say, "Tessie, what's wrong?" And I looked out the window because I knew I couldn't look at her in the eye, and I took a deep breath and I said 3 words. I said, "Nothing. I'm fine." I lied. I kept those feelings inside of me. And you know what happens when we keep feelings inside of us? They don't actually go away. Have you ever thought, I wish this feeling would just leave. I won't tell anybody about it, and then maybe it will go away. Well, I have something to tell you. Because those feelings don't go away. What happens with them is they actually get bigger and bigger and bigger, and they start to come out in other ways. Has anybody had a big feeling about one thing, and then it came out in something else? Or maybe you're feeling angry over here, and then it came out and you started crying over here. Yeah. So that's what happens to our big feelings. And when I was your age, that's what happened to my feelings. And today we're going to learn some things that you can do to help yourself get through big feelings so that you can be brave enough to share them. What I really want is for you to feel like all of those big feelings that you have are okay to feel. Now put your hands in your heart. Take a big deep breath in and let it out. And being able to find these ways will help our hearts feel better. Can everyone say, all my feelings are okay? You know, I think that when we're able to talk about feelings and we can be extra brave and get those feelings out of our bodies, we can spend more time feeling really happy. And you know, when we say thank you to somebody, it helps their hearts feel really good, but it also helps our hearts feel really good, and it helps us find our pom-pom button. Who was somebody that you'd like to say thank you to? How about right here? Yes, who would you like to say thank you to?
My parents.
Your parents. And what would you like to thank them for?
That they take care of me and stuff.
Oh, that's so good. Your parents to take care of you. That's really good. Thank you for sharing that. How about right here? Who do you want to say thank you to?
To my friend Elena.
Your friend Elena? Mm-hmm. Is she here?
Yeah.
Where is she?
Right over there.
Right over there? Hi, Elena. Can you wave your hand for me? Awesome. What do you want to thank Elena for?
For being my best friend.
Oh, that's so nice. Can you say thank you, Elena?
Thank you, Elena.
Awesome. Elena, that's awesome. Do you want to say thank you back? Yeah.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. That's such a nice friendship. And doesn't that make your heart feel good? Yeah. Awesome. How about right here? Who do you want to say thank you for?
My teacher.
Your teacher. What do you want to thank them for?
For teaching me.
For teaching you. That's a great one. Thank you so much. And how about right here at the back? Yes. Who do you want to thank?
My siblings and friends.
Your siblings and friends. And what do you want to thank them for?
For making my day every day.
Oh, that's so nice. Who would you like to thank?
You.
Me? That's nice. What would you like to thank me
Teaching
for?
me about feelings.
For teaching about feelings.